Here's the tutorial for Lemonade by Forrest, Frank, and the Figs. You can play this song using 3 chords. The first chord is E major 7th. To play this chord, you just have to put your first finger on the 7th fret of the A string like this, 3rd finger on the 9th fret of the D string, pinky on the 8th fret of the G, and pinky on the 9th fret of the B. And then we're barring across on the 7th fret. The rhythm goes like this. So for the rhythm, I'm going down, down, and we're doing a squeeze and release technique. I'm releasing the chord right after I strum it. So I'm strumming like this, and then releasing. And right when I release, so when you, first of all, when you strum it like this, your pick ends up down here. And that's what you want. So you strum down, release, and then right after you release, drag the pick upward. So we strum down, up, down. So, and it does that twice. Down, up, down, up. Then the next chord is an F sharp minor 7. This one has the first finger on the 9th fret of the A string, the 3rd finger on the 11th fret of the D, barring across the 9th fret, so the G is the 9th fret as well, because we're barring it down. Then the middle finger goes on the 10th fret of the B like this. So, down, up, down, up, down. So, down, up, down, up, down. And then I'm going up, down, up, down. Now, I'm also adding in a little walk down. So sometimes during the verse, sometimes right after the F sharp minor 7, we're going down a half step. So we just take the same shape and you just move it here, and then it goes back to the E major 7th. Just to keep it really simple, you can pretty much get through the whole song with just those 2 chords. If you listen to the harmony of the song, sometimes you will hear this happen. Sometimes it does that, and that's the same shape as the F sharp minor 7. It's just G sharp minor 7 like this. So, now let's talk about the solo. The solo starts out on the 7th fret of the B string, and then we're going to hammer on. We're going to go like that. So pluck the 7th fret of the B string like this, then hammer on to the 8th fret with your middle finger, and then hammer on to the 9th fret with your 3rd finger, like that. Then we go to the 7th fret of the E string, so it's like, then it does it again, that. You can either pluck this or just hammer on everything. So the second time it does that, same thing, we go to the 7th fret of the E string, but then immediately hammer on to that 9th fret of the E string. So it goes like this. Then you pluck the 9th fret of the E again. So it's then 7th fret of the E, and then hammer on to the 9th again. Then 11th fret of the E string, after that, you pluck it again, pluck the 11th fret of the E string, and then hammer onto the 12th fret with your pinky, and then pull off. Then 7th fret of the E, 9th fret of the B, 7th fret of the B. Then let's break that down. So I'm just barring across the 12th fret on the G, B, and E strings. So I'm plucking the 12th fret of the E, and then immediately hammering onto the 14th fret and pulling off. So you want to do you pluck, right after you pluck, hammer on and then pull off. Then we do that same thing on the B string. Here's what we have so far. Then the first finger moves down to the 11th fret, and we do a similar thing where you just pluck the G string. Immediately after, you do a hammer on and a pull off. And then you do the same thing. So coming from the 11th fret of the G string, go down a whole step to the 9th fret, and then same thing, pluck, and then immediately do a hammer on and a pull off. Then we go to the 11th fret of the D string, 9th fret of the G, hammer on to the 11th of the G, then slide up to the 14th fret of the E string. The slide is optional. You can also do it without sliding up. You can go like this. Then the first finger goes to the 12th fret of the B string. Here's what we have so far, slowed down. Then the solo ends with this run. Let's break that down. So, 9th fret D string, 11th fret D, so it goes, then 11th fret D string again, and then 9th fret on the G. Then 9th fret on the G again, to the 11th fret on the G. 11th fret on the G again, 13th fret on the G. And that's how it ends. So, when you're on the 13th fret of the G, pluck it again, and then 12th fret of the B, 12th fret of the B again, and then we slide. And right after you pluck, do the slide, so like that. And we're sliding up to the 14th fret on the B. Here's how it sounds with the whole solo. And that was the tutorial for Lemonade by Forrest, Frank, and the Figs.